So in last week's video, I said that I had opened a skate shop. Except I later realized that what I'm operating isn't technically a skate shop, it's a skate brand. SkateParty is a brand of skate decks featuring custom graphics designed by me. That's it. Basically, this is what I do. I design graphics for decks, I sell skateboarding related artwork, and I hand paint skateboard decks, which are also for sale. Maybe someday I'll open an actual shop where I get to sell the hardware that goes on the boards, trucks, bearings, wheels, etc. But at the moment, it's mostly just decks. Now, you might be wondering, how does this work? What happens when you buy a deck from my website? Well, if it's a printed deck, I send the graphic off to a printer, who prints the graphic onto the deck, who then sends it to you. If it's a hand-painted deck, I already have it in stock, so I send it to you directly. There's also the possibility of having some printed decks in stock, but since I don't have a physical brick-and-mortar shop to store them in, print on demand is going to be the most economical way for me to go. I hope that makes sense. Meanwhile, here I am working on some art, instead of building up the SkateParty Instagram account. Why? Well, because I have a bad case of executive dysfunction. This is where I have a task I need to complete, but it's a little overwhelming, and I don't know where to begin, so I'm doing something else instead. I know that there are a lot of steps involved in setting up a successful Instagram account, and I know, more or less, what I have to do, but I'm just not sure how to do them in the most effective way. Clearly, my future as an Instagram influencer is on the line here. I really need to figure out how to take advantage of the marketing opportunities that Instagram offers. But every time I try to ask someone for help, all I usually get back is, hashtags? And that's it. So, while I'm struggling to figure out the best way to use Instagram, I take solace in working on art. I know I'll get there eventually, sooner or later. Just maybe not today. By the way, here's some of the art that I finished. And now, it's time for lunch. Chicken cordon bleu and pork jambalaya. Oh, wait, the chicken has to be cooked first because it's raw? And it's going to take 30 minutes? Well, cool. That should be just enough time to get a quick skate session. It's currently 50 degrees, and the rain has let up just enough for this to not be a total washout. Thanks for watching this week's totally not Vlogmas vlog entry. Be sure to visit SkatePartySkateboards.com and sign up for our newsletter for some very big announcements coming soon, including a chance to win a free SkateParty deck. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Keep surfing that sidewalk.